Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, to my dear esteemed respected audience? I hope you are well. As for me, Alhamdulillah, I am in the best of health by the grace of Almighty Allah. With Allah kindness, I trust you are doing well and stay safe. So, in Ramadan, we should focus on number one, fasting sincerely for Allah. Fasting sincerely for Allah. Number two, praying extra, Tarawih, Tahajjud. Number three, reciting the Holy Quran daily. Number four, making dua and seeking forgiveness. Number five, giving charity, zakat, zakah. Number six, helping other and showing kindness. Number seven, controlling our tongue, no lying, no gossiping. Number eight, feeding the poor and needy person and destitute person. Number nine, staying in family tie. Number 10, maintaining sincerity in all dates. Okay, may Allah accept our effort and guide us blessing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to share the video with the others.